Oh, I just remembered. I forgot to get the camera off the top of the truck. So, we'll go find out, see if the camera's still up there. All right, we just got loaded. Racks and shelving. It's the day, well, I should say it's the day after Thanksgiving weekend. So, that's what we got. And I guess this stuff's deceiving. Paperwork says it's 24,000. I checked my little scale and it is. It's pretty close. So, I wouldn't think that rack stuff would be that heavy. Nothing complicated. Going over to Kansas City on our Dorsey trailer. Everything looks good. So I was thinking about putting the axle up, but I think we got a little too much weight on there. So, but that's what we got. Nothing complicated. See that one little box up on the top up there? Right there. It's banded to that crate, or banded to that pallet, so it's not going to go anywhere. Let's see. Got a couple things done on the truck this last weekend. Actually enjoyed myself quite a bit. Had some time off and got some things done. Hang on a second. So one of my projects was I'd got a winter cover to put on the truck, but I had to add these little what do you call those, snap ties or whatever, Anyway, winter cover, similar to the white truck, if you guys remember the white truck. So it'll sit on there like that once we get into cold weather. Last winter I was having a hard time keeping the truck warm. So I went ahead and bought a winter cover. And I had to, these little rivets right here, I had to grind these rivets off. It got a little ugly right there, but a couple truck washes, you won't know any different. Alright, and the other thing I did is I finally changed the oil pressure sending unit, which is that piece right, if you see it, the shiny one right down there. You see it right there, really easy. Wrench, pull it out, plugs in right there. So that should help with quit making a mess right there. That was leaking. Other than that, just kind of hung out all weekend. We've gone about 180 miles. It is going on about 5:30 East Coast time, so I need to feed Bailey. I just remembered I forgot to get the camera off the top of the truck. So we'll go find out, see if the camera's still up there. While we're out here, we'll check our load real quick. This stuff's pretty easy. I don't think it'd be a problem. But we'll double check. All this stuff is riding pretty good. Just gotta watch sometimes these racks will walk out of there. Looks good. Alright, let's go see if the camera's still on top of the truck. I hope it is. Oh man, I forgot all about that. Let's see here. Oh, it's still up there. So there's the little camera. Let me crawl up here. Oh, let's see here. And it's still recording. See the flashing light? All right, let me get down. All right. Still recording. This little battery pack, hopefully you guys can see it. It'll last about 4 or 5 hours. All right, I gotta feed Miss Bailey. She's been patient. And then we got 5 hours and 14 minutes left of driving. Actually, if I take a break, I can get more. But anyway, we're going to drive over to the TA in Concordia, Missouri. Alright, we made it to Concordia, Missouri, to TA. Just put you guys around so you can see. I was worried about parking, but I got here and they got plenty of parking. I just took Bailey out. I bought fuel, and let's see here. I bought fuel this morning over in Memphis, Indiana, which is just north of Louisville. And the Mercer price was $4.54 a gallon. I bought fuel here in Missouri. Mercer price $3.67 a gallon. So what's that? I don't know, $1, almost $1 better. $1 cheaper. Oh. But anyway, fuel prices. The Midwest fuel is more expensive the further west you get, like Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, even Arizona. Fuel in Arizona is cheaper than fuel in Kentucky. It used to never be like that. So it's really weird what's going on with fuel prices. I don't know if it's stabilizing or not. So it was a long day today. We drove 596 miles today. We got about 65 miles over to deliver our racks and shelving over in Kansas City. And then we're going to run over to Salina, Kansas, pick up power poles, take them to Arizona. It's the same load I did about a month or so ago. And the reason I'm doing that load is I want to get a big paycheck right at the beginning of the month. So I'm rolling the dice, hoping that I can get a load of ATVs out of El Paso, Texas there. That's what I'm hoping for. We'll see how it goes. We're going to deliver the power poles either Thursday or Friday, depending on how things are looking. And then I'm looking for a load for Monday. But anyway, it's been a long day today. That's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.